The Adani Group has issued a detailed clarification reiterating what it said back in November 2024, that there are no allegations against any of its companies and that the firms are not party to any US legal proceedings. For more on what the US SEC has sought in court, allegedly, and the broader context, let me go across to Viral, who has all the details.
Thank you for that. So clearly, the US regulator right now is seeking measures to serve Gautam and Sagar Adani legal summons. That is what, media reports were indicating. On the back of which, you have the Adani Group, which has clarified on the allegations. What they've said is that the group reiterates their position from November 2024. They've said that there are no allegations against any of the Adani Group companies and that they are not party to any US legal proceedings. In fact, the Adani Group companies include Adani Enterprise, Adani Ports, Adani Energy Solutions and Adani Total Gas. And what they've indicated is that the content of the press report that did come out, that does not trigger any disclosure requirements under SEBI rules. That is the clarification that has come in so far. Just to give you a quick backgrounder now, as we said that the US regulator is seeking to serve Gautam and Sagar Adani legal summons, and the US SEC wants the judge to clear the way when it comes to advance the fraud case against Gautam Adani. The SEC had actually gone ahead and asked the US district judge to let it use alternative measures. This is what has been quoted in media reports, and they've said that the SEC wants to ensure that the Adani and his nephew Sagar Adani are formally made aware of the legal action against them, and that Gautam Adani has been using diplomatic and other channels to have cases against him and his nephew resolved in the last 1 year. All of this is the backgrounder to the story that was quoted in media reports, to which the Adani Group has come out and clarified that they are not privy to any of this, and that's the reason why the stocks are in focus. In fact, if you talk about 2026 as a whole as well, you've seen a major rout in the markets, and there has been a fall across categories, across stocks that we've seen so far.